thank you for loving our culture and our country the way that you do. All right, here we go. All right, now everybody sing it. And Jaja blessing, yeah. And speaking about love, you know it's Bob Marley's birthday. And so I want to do a song for you about love. All right? Here we go. And I want you to sing this one with me if you know it. What is drummer there? Can I hear this? Drummer, give me the kick. Can you give me the kick alone? Kick. And then everybody, I want to see you go. If you know about love, go up. Come on. All right? Is it love? Love that I'm feeling. One more time, what we say? Is it love? Love that I'm feeling. Now I'm anointed from the crown of my head to the sole of my feet, so I fear no one, because I'm protected by the Most High. And even in this time, we are more fearless than we ever were before. Fearless. Here we go. Queen Ifrica. Queen. Come here, Queen. Come here, Queen. Come here, Queen. Now this is my sister, Queen Ifrica. And I want you to join me in this song. Where's the Queen? Celeb.
Mama, you're rebel, you know, so I'm telling the nasty father them this. Hear what I'm saying? Hey! Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell a new one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father. Daddy, don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell a new one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my... Pepi and so and son pura que me roba mi inocencia. A veces me siento suicida, nadie no me cuenta por esa evidencia. Never said a problema conmigo. I reckon we are no, so we tell them this. Daddy don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell a new one day. You know easy, Etana.
My way. Never turn cool when I reach at the crossroad. Me never lost my way.
I love you very much, man.
Come on, let's go. No, sing it loud and clear. No, hey, loud and clear. No, who tell them say? If them a come, then them come. I'm protected by the Most High. If them a come, then them come. I'm protected by the Most High. If them a come, then them come. I'm protected by the Most High. Most High. One. Thank you so much. I love you, Jamaica. Pick up yourself, Queen Ifrica. Thank you.
Now listen, you have any doubts, why